Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a great day. So today I want to bring you a new product that I think everybody should have in their cars. Does a great job of adding some protection to the interior, helps keep it safer. What I'm talking about is having a good sunshade in your vehicle. Now I've actually had the OEM one from Acura. Did purchase that in the past for this car. And the only thing I didn't like about it was really expensive. It was, I think, $80, and that's a lot of money for a sunshade. So I went ahead and picked up a different one. It looks really similar. Really good reviews on this thing. It's on sale right now for 15% off. You check the link in the description, guys. You'll save some money. I think this one for the Acura runs $39 right now. It's really nice. Keep your car cooler. Has a little storage bag with it. I wanted something that did the same job, but you didn't have to spend $80 to get a sunshade. So let me show you what this one looks like. So here it is. This is the storage bag you get with it. I like it. It's super lightweight as well. Has a foam core. Nice little travel bag if you guys want to use that. There's a little drawstring on it. And they have these for a ton of cars. They have them for almost every Honda, Acura, Toyota, Lexus, you name it, they have it. So definitely check them out no matter what car you guys drive. But here it is. I like it that it's black in the inside right here. And then the outside is a silver reflective. Now this is the premium one. They have a little higher end one called the Ultimate. I think that one's like $20 more right now. Depending on what you need. It's a little bit higher quality. This one is really nice. It does a great job. It fits perfect because they are specific for each car. Here's the stuff you get. It's kind of self-explanatory how you put it in. But here's the instructions if you don't know. Like I said, it fits just like the Acura one that I had. And I got rid of the Acura one because of that reason. I put it in. It's nice, but it was a lot of money. And it was heavy. It was really thick. And my kids would always kick it. So I thought it's going to get broke. So here's this one. As you can see, it looks really good. It's a perfect fit. Now right here in the middle, it would fit tighter and be a perfect fit, of course. But you see I have my my dash cam right in there. So it's not going to let it sit flush. So that's no knock on this sunshade. It's just because how I have my dash cam set up. So again, it fits really great. You hold it with the sun visors. It folds right back up. It has some straps on it to keep it closed, and then you can put it in that storage bag if you want. Again, like I said, right now they're offering 15% off. Just click the link in the description, and here's the code as well that you can use in case it doesn't work. But the link should be active right now, but they also gave me the code for you guys for 15% off. So like I said, for almost any make and model. And then here's what it looks like from the outside, which is pretty standard for all of them. Has a shiny reflective. And the Ultimate one has a gray finish. So that is the difference. But like I said, this one's great. It fits great. I've talked to somebody that had it and they loved it. So I wanted to try this one out, and I love it. I mean, it definitely will keep your car cooler, especially if you live anywhere where it's hot. So again, I'd highly recommend this to anybody. Definitely pick one up. Check the link in the description, guys. I think you guys will be really excited with it. It's a very simple thing, but these cars get really hot, you know, especially on my A-Spec one, it's all black inside. So when it's 90 to 100 degrees outside, you can feel it. So this will definitely help cut that if you guys have to park outside for an extended period of time. I would definitely recommend it. Again, let me know if you guys are using one. Like, I'm definitely going to use this all the time because I have to park outside. I'm at work, of course. And it will keep your car cooler, help keep the sun off the dash to prevent any issues later on. So again, hope you guys found that useful. I appreciate you guys and all you guys' support. I really do. I'll have another video coming up very shortly. Until next time, guys, take care.